I was in Florida and I felt the call of God to come here. And I just wasn't sure what the timing was. And finally I received a call that this church was open and God said, now's the time. And so I tried out for the church, got a 100% vote, and here we are.
And that was how long ago?
That was 5 years ago.
So was it everything that you expected it was going to be when you first started?
It's a little harder than I thought. Anything.
Hey, Pastor, do you mind showing me in the Bible anywhere where it says it's going to be easy?
That's what I mean. Anything worth having is worth working at. And so we have a group of good people, and I wouldn't trade them for the world.
I would say that you probably have the best job on the planet right now.
Anytime you're sharing the gospel of Jesus Christ and seeing people won to the kingdom of God, that's the best job on the face of the earth.
So in other words, you don't play church, you are the church.
Exactly.
What a blessing.